What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Neil here from Clearview Plastics in Sacramento, California. And today I'm showing you our enclosure that we've designed that is for Galvo style UV lasers. It features our OD3 plus UV blocking panels that are designed to block the wavelength that a UV laser operates at. And we offer this in, at this point, 3 different sizes, depending on the machine or the media that you're going to be engraving on. So with this machine, this is our large size enclosure. And if you are engraving on larger items, you might just think about upgrading to our XL or our XL Plus enclosure. So we ship these enclosures flat packed. We build and we part these together and flat pack them out of Sacramento, California. And when you receive them, you get the panels, all of the hardware, and all the bracketry that are needed for assembling the enclosure. So this enclosure features magnetically latched windows, doors rather, sorry. And then it also has what we call our flow control gates here. And so with the flow control gates, you can open and close these to get the right amount of air circulation. We have it on each side. And then on the larger sizes, then we also have it on the front as well. So with that, you can keep some open, some closed to get the right kind of air circulation. So you can see here, this is actually a fiber laser, so this is more for just a visual representation. So but UV lasers are still Galvo style lasers, so it really still is the same. So the setup here is if your UV laser has a external power supply and chiller, then the wiring loom and all the power cords just feed out of this wire grommet right back here. The other part is our exhaust port. So the exhaust port, it comes with a couple different options, but on this one, it has just our exhaust bracket and it accepts a 4-inch exhaust hose. All of our attachments are designed to take a 4-inch exhaust hose. We offer other options like fans, and we can even connect it to filters if exhausting outside isn't really a possibility. I'll do an additional video on that that you can see on the product page. So with our enclosures, we really work to make it so that these give you good protection, but they also work with your workflow. So we gave it a generously sized door up in front here so that you have plenty of room to work with your media and take it in and out. We also have an option that you can put on side doors to this, so that especially if you are working with longer media, let's just say like once in a while you have a baseball bat that you need to do and you need to bring it in from the side and attach it to a rotary, then you've got that side door availability to make it so that you can do large size media. Additionally, we made it so that we could go. We designed these so that there's plenty of space up above. Between all the sizes that we have, we've got different heights, different widths, and different depths to accommodate a variety of machines. When you're sizing this up, it's really important to not necessarily go on the machine dimensions that might be published, say on the website of the manufacturer, because a lot of times they aren't really considering the depth needed for the wiring loom. So it's good to consider sizing up just a little bit to ensure that that you have enough space, or just maybe add on a good 2 to 3 inches to make sure that that wiring loom isn't going to get kinked too hard. So a quick little demonstration to show that these panels actually do offer some protection. Now, these panels are spectrometer tested to have a protection rating of OD3 plus, so it's better than OD3, and which is fitting for the UV lasers that are currently in like the 10 watt range to get plenty of protection. So these panels, they work for wavelengths generally under 500 nanometers, but somewhere in between like the 3 to 400, they offer really, really nice protection. So what I wanted to show you is that these panels actually really do block light at certain wavelengths. So you can see I've got some shelving. We make some really cool shelving here that is kind of like an edgelit LED shelving. And I've got that set up in the back. And so I've actually got that set up on this app, and I'm going to change the color to blue. And you can see that that blue wavelength doesn't allow that to shine through. I promise it's not AI. This is the real deal. And these panels and these enclosures work great for not only blocking the wavelength that UV lasers operate at, it helps to contain the fumes and the smoke to make sure that the user is safe in multiple ways in any workspace.